guys, whoa, I just saw something. Today I'm gonna smash Leanna's teacup because Leanna was at a tea party, so I'm gonna go smash it. Daddy's trying to fix the microwave that I broke, so now he's gonna fix that. Tried to actually. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Leland. I'm trying to fix this microwave that you broke. And what are you doing with my phone?
Nothing. I'm just playing a cool game.
Okay.
Like, what you do, you have to film, and you also have to film Leanna's teeth thing, and do this!
Hey! Whoa, hey! Leland! That was Leanna's teacup! Are you fucking kidding me?
Now you have to fix something else. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! No!
Oh! Oh!
He face
Oh! God dang it! My nose! Am I bleeding? Walk right to the door.
Oh, what an idiot.
Give me that phone! You broke the freaking teacup!
Hello, Maddie Patty.
Give me my phone! You broke her teacup!
No.
Give me a freaking phone.
No, yeah, no.
Ah!
Oh, you got cut?
Give me.
No. Gosh dang it.
Stop! God! Give me the hammer! Tired of this! I gotta fix everything around here! God! Dang it! Stop it!
Oh, you're too slant.
Give me it! Oh! Give me that freaking phone!
Wait, phone? That's not a phone.
A hammer!
What an idiot you are.
Shut up!
I don't feel bad.
Hey! Ow! God! Stop it!
Gosh dang it.
Ah! Stop! God! You're gonna pick every single tiny little piece up. Stop it! Stop!
No.
A cute little pink teacup. You completely destroyed it.
Oh, wait, I gotta.
Hey! Knock it off! Knock it off!
Can I go to Jingle Jones's house and play?
No, you're freaking grounded. Go to your room. You're not going next door to play.
Here, I'll throw this.
Go to your room. Go to your room. Hey! Go to your room. You are grounded. You're not playing next door with your neighbors.
I throw it in your nuts.
Ow!
Is whoa.
Hate my life. No, wrong way. To your room. You're not going next door to play. Get to your room. Leland! Get back over here. You're not playing next door.